27 Health and Nutrition Tips that are actually based on the evidence. 1. Do not take sugar calories. Sugar drinks are the most fattening things you can put in your body. This is because the brain does not record the calories of liquids in the same way as the calories in solid foods. For this reason, when you drink soda, you end up and more calories. Sugar drinks are strongly associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and all kinds of health problems. Keep in mind that fruit drinks are almost unbased and soda is ready. They contain the same amount of sugar, small amounts of antioxidants do not have the harmful effects of sugar. 2. Eat nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They are along with magnesium, vitamin A, fiber, and various of nutrients. Students show that nuts can help you lose weight and can help in type 2 diabetes and heart disease. In addition, about 10% of the calories in nuts are not have absorbed by the body, and some evidence suggests that they can stimulate metabolism. In one study, animals were shown to increase weight loss by 62% compared to complex carbohydrates. 3. Avoid processed junk food. Hallray found himself. High processed junk food in the diet are the main reason why the world is fine and sicker than ever. These foods have the desire to be hyper-reactive, so they trick whole brain into eating more than we need, which even leads to addiction in some people. 4. Do not fear cough. Cough has been unfairly demonstrated the truth in that it is causally very healthy. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, and students show that coffee drinks live longer and have a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and many other diseases. 5. Eat fat fish. Almost every agri-stay fish is healthy. This is particularly true in the case of fatty fish, such as salmon, which contain omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients. Students show that probably won't eat most fish have a lower risk of all types of diseases, including heart disease, dementia, and depression. 6. Get enough sleep. The importance of getting enough sleep quality cannot be overstated. It can be as important as diet and exercise, if not more. Sleep badly can boost insulin resistance, eliminate hormones from appetite, and reduce your physical and mental performance. In addition, it is one of the stronger individual risk factors for future weight gain and obesity. One study showing that short sleep was related and 89% increase in the risk of the obesity in children and 55% in adults. 7. Take care of your intestinal health with probiotics and fiber. Bacteria in the intestine collectively help the intestinal microbiome, here some referred to as the forgotten organism. These intestinal insects have incredible importance for halting of health-related aspects and alterations intestinal bacterial in relation to some of the most serious chronic diseases in the world include obesity. A good way to improve intestinal health is to have probiotic foods. Should have leaf, yogurt, and sauerkraut, take probiotic supplement, and have lots of fiber. Fiber works as fuel for intestinal bacteria. 8. Drink a little water, especially before meals. Drink enough water can have numerous benefits. An important factor is that it can help increase the amount of calories you burn. According to students, you can increase your metabolism by 24-30% over a period of 1.5 hours. This can amount to an additional 96 calories burned if you drink 2 liters of water per day. The best time to drink water is half an hour before meals. One study showed that half a liter of water 30 minutes before each meal increased weight loss by 44%. 9. Do not cook or burn your meat. Meat can be a nutritious and healthy part of the diet. It is very high in protein and contains several important nutrients. Problems occur when the meat is overcooked and burned. This can lead to the formation of harmful compounds that increase the risk of cancer. So here, your meat just do not cook it or burn it. 10. Avoid bring lead skin before sleep. When hair are exposed to bright light at night, this interrupts the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. An interesting trick is to wear a pair of amber lens that prevents blue light from entering your eyes at night. This allows melatonin to occur as if it were complete dry, which helps to sleep better. 11. Take vitamin D if you do not get too much sun. In the past, most people got their vitamin D from the sun. The problem is that most people do not get much sun these days. If a day exposure to the sun is not an option for you, it has been shown that vitamin D supplement has numerous health benefits. This includes improving bone health, increasing strength, reducing the symptoms of depression, and a lower risk of cancer. To name a few, vitamin D can also help you live longer. 12. Eat vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are healthy food by default and for good reason. They are low-laden with previous fiber, vitamins, minerals, and all kinds of antioxidants, some of which have powerful biological effects. Students show they probably would consume more vegetables and fruits live longer and have a lower risk of health diseases, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and all types of diseases. 13. Make sure you have enough protein. Protein is particularly important for weight loss and growth. Through several different mechanisms, a high protein intake can significantly increase metabolism, while making you feel so full that you automatically eat fewer calories. It can also reduce cravings and reduce cravings for meat snacks. It has also been shown that eating too much protein reduces blood sugar and blood pressure levels. 14. Do some cardio or lose weight more. Doing hard exercise or cardio is one of the best things you can do for your mental and physical health. It is particularly effective in reducing abdominal fat, the type of harmful fat that accumulates around your organs. The reduction of abdominal fat should lead to significant improvements in metabolic health. 15. Do not smoke or use drugs and take only in moderation. If you are a tobacco smoker or abuse drink, the risks and exercise and the less of your words face those problem fish. If you consent to include alcohol in your life, do so in moderation and consider avoiding in altogether if you have alcoholic tendencies. 16. Use extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the healthiest fat on the planet. It is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that can fight inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil produces many beneficial effects for the health of the heart. And people who consume olive oil have a much lower risk of dying for heart attack and stroke. 17. Minimize your intake of added sugar. The added sugar in the word ingredient in the modern diet. Small amounts are fine, but when people have light amounts they can have on metabolic health. A high intake of added sugar is linked to numerous diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many forms of cancer. 18. Do not have a lot of refined carbohydrates.